What do you have? Do you have flowers? Can I see them? Yeah. Who caught it?
Dad had it on his rod, so I just basically reeled it in. So basically, my fishing. So basically,
What kind of fish is that?
only cod?
It's a ling cod?
Yeah,
Mr. Krabs, I am so confused.
a ling cod.
A ling. Oh, I gotta get closer. What kind of fish is it?
A carp.
So we came down to the river today, and the kids are fishing. Well, the boys are fishing with Bub, and Finley has officially hit her terrible twos. It has been wild fun. Bub left the boys in charge of getting the life jackets. No, it's an adult job. Anyhow, we have 1 out of our 3 life jackets. So of course I'm a little bit frustrated about that. I don't do water, and so Finley threw a fit because she's not able to be near the water without a life jacket. And so she's thrown this giant tantrum in front of God and everybody. I finally got her calmed down though, because we're picking flowers. I shouldn't get on here and complain. Finley, she's totally enjoying herself. What? Oh no, you got a bug. Oh, there's ants absolutely everywhere. They're probably crawling on us. Fudge buckets. Okay. Say hi. Oh, that's you. Boys are riding their quads, and we are hanging out. You know what's funny is your hair's sticking up. Ow!
I just hit the spring.
Are you gonna do it?
Stop it!
Hey, Bub, stand behind me. I cannot even. Wow, quite spectacular. Look at me.
Yeah. I'm gonna get stuck in fork in a light socket.
I know, isn't that wild?
Hey, you want to take my
You better show me.
Done.
Well, you want to know something, as I can see right up your nose.
Me? Out of my nose. My gosh.
This is like a